What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Well, it is time to charge those batteries and get the money printer out because we are headed to the moon to stack chips and get paid out. Now, on this channel, no baby stepping, no line stepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. All right, so if it's your first time on the channel, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and select all. Make me a comment if you want to hear about something. And for those who have been on this channel, you must love me because I called the ARC, I called the Unity breakout, the Palantir breakout, told you to stay in the crypto, got you in early. I mean, everything is going to plan. And it's because I know how the markets work and how they adjust and how they play out. But this is how the game is played, guys. And when I say, we got to get above that 200, okay? Above the 200 is bullish, below the 200 is bearish. We want to come out of phase 4 into phase 1, an accumulation phase. We want the volume we want to base and we want to contract. We want to dry up volume because there's multiple steps to volume, okay? It's not just volume in the direction of price action, okay, or a divergence in volume against price action. That's important, don't get me wrong, but that's like chapter 1. There's a way that volume pushes up momentum. It strikes a certain spot. It retests with the dry up. It goes through 1, 2, the dry up 3, right before it's going to push. That's how I know the crypto is about to run, guys. All right, a lot of things going on. A lot of stuff we want to be in, a lot of stuff I want to cover. We're going to talk about some stocks. We're going to talk about some crypto. We can't not talk about Twitter. So let's just talk about Twitter. Elon Musk, dude, what a beast. Look at this, man. Look at this candle. This is what we call, I don't think I can say that. I might get banned if I say it. But basically, that's a rocket ship type candle. And look, there's your little blue ribbon. And somehow you just gapped all the way up above the 200 on the daily. Boom. I mean, check this out. Even though it went up 27-30% today, don't feel like you missed out. Actually, you're getting in just right because now you have a measure of safety on top of the price action through the accumulation with a backer like Elon, sentiment, momentum. You have everything working for you, okay? Don't think you're late. You're actually right on time, okay? Another one that's hot right now, I did really well with today, was Plug. I mean, Plug's got this big base, right? There's that base I'm talking about. See how the volume comes up, it contracts, okay? This isn't good, these three against these three. Okay, this contraction, price action, contraction, price action, contraction. This is normal, guys. This is how it's supposed to go before it does a big pop. Well, let's go see what happened. So 30.75. So it's $1 over the line on the breakout. Now, if it holds, boom, guess what? You're coming out of a base, out of phase 4 into phase 1. Let me put the ribs on there for you because I know you guys might not be able to see as well unless I have those ribs on there for you. All right, so look, blue ribs, all right, above the 200. There's your base. You're contracting volume right before level 1, level 2, level 3, contract, level 4, push, breakout out of the accumulation phase. This is how it works, guys. Okay, boom, this is looking good. Now remember, you had that all-time high back over here, 46.47, okay? I mean, you're looking at a $15 hit, like right off the bat. Like just be in it right now. You know energy's hot in the US. You know clean energy's right. You know that the company is doing better. Their earnings are showing it. I told you days ago, I liked what I saw on Unity. I put it in a video. I made a video about it. I said, I've been watching this thing from here, from over in here. And, on this candle, I made the video and I said, guys, this thing has this breakout. Well, today, let's go see. I know it went up and down, okay? Yeah, so it's above the line with the green body candle close above. Let me go look at the minutes. Yeah, there's the line. Boom, it closed. Remember, what is the most important is the closing price, okay? Like, it gets a little sketchy when you go above and you fail, then you retest and you fail, and you retest and fail, and then you retest and fail, or you break out and fail, and then you break out, but you hold. The end of the day closing price, that's where it's at. It's time to be in Unity. Unity, I know this stock well, okay, guys? I'm telling you, when Unity wants to run, it makes those big, big blue freaking clouds. Like, let me show you, let's find you something that has a big blue cloud going on. Well, I think Luna's got one of them. Look, this just running. I mean, you can't even break the 9 EMA on the daily, baby. Woo! On fire. Okay? We'll get down there to some cryptos. I just want to walk you through. I want to take you through the playbook real quick. You know, I'm thinking Unity. I mean, you're coming in early. Okay, you don't have all the safety built in. You know that I would like you to have, like, you know, in the courses. By the way, if you're not in the group, I got that Discord link in the description below. Get in there. You just go to your Android, go to your iPhone, get the Discord app. You got to verify, guys. You got to verify with either your email or your phone number. So if you put in phone number, it's going to go to your phone. You're going to do a code. If it's going to do an email, you got to go to your email and click verify. Once you're in, it's free. Okay? You can talk. You can be in the crypto chat, the stock chat, the general chat. I'll be honest. Not a lot of us are talking in there. Most people are upgraded because most people, it's kind of like a little community in there. They're in the Jedi and the elite areas. They're in the Jedi Council area, which you cannot see when you come in. If you want to upgrade, it's $99 a month. Okay? What you get is you get all access to the whole Discord. So there's a lot of parts of the Discord you can't see until you upgrade. Okay? You get one-on-one coaching with me, 10 hours of it. Just you and me, private. Okay? You get all the trade alerts, and I'm going ham on trade alerts. And I'm going back through my trade alerts and reading them and being like, dude, you called that? And then look at the percentage it went up. I'm hitting like 99% of my trades are running hot, guys. I just go to all my videos. Everything I say is going to happen happens in the future. They all happen. I'm nailing it to the wall. Will it always be like that? Probably not. I'll hit a slump at some point. It's just the way the cards go. It's the way the cookie crumbles, baby. But right now, I am hot to trot. I am on freaking fire. Everything I call out is making money. So go back in those videos, watch them, or pay attention to what I say in this one, or get in the Discord, get those alerts. It's $99 a month. So you get the alerts, you get all the access, you get the one-on-one, but you get all the courses where I teach you everything. Check it out. If you're serious about making money, you're tired of losing money, and you want to just get paid with that money printer out, go to Annual Jedi, pay half of it by using the code GREENLIGHTS, capital G. The G method, baby. All right, so Unity, it's time. AMTX, I don't know. I just picked up like 2,000 of these shares, just boom, like whatever. And this candle right here paid me like $2,000 today. It was cool. Neo, I mean, I told you the other day it was time to get in Neo back in here, and this is why. Because Kathy Woods was buying it. I mentioned it, and, you know, you got the Chinese regulators working with the U.S. regulators. Time to get back in Neo. It got beat to hell. It's just time to be back in Neo, guys. Look, it's getting tight. There's your base. It broke out finally. There's your cloud. There's your tight ribbons. Your 200 is flattening. Okay, being above the 200 is safer, but I know that the way that the 200 works is every time there's a accumulation and a distribution, there's a flattening cycle on the 200. That's another reason why I knew Bitcoin was going to change directions, okay? The contraction and the base and the phase 4 into phase 1 with the tight ribbon above the 200, and then I saw the flattening coming. It was like a soft landing and a controlled movement to peak, and I knew all it needed was a push on that volume, and it was going to create momentum. Momentum breeds momentum. Momentum breeds momentum. Say it. Momentum breeds momentum. Hold your Bitcoin. Buy crypto. Let's get paid, guys. It is time. Another one I saw that was hot to trot today. Roblox. Roblox looks, okay, it looks little. It looks little. I get it. But you know what? It's going to make a move. It's going to make a move. Now, I never like when the stochastic's high braiding in a downward fashion like that. But I also do most of my trading. Actually, that's not true. I do all of my trading. If it's looking like this under the 200, I do all of my trading at the 1 hour down to the 1 minute. I never trade the daily unless it's bullish to the daily. You'll learn that in the courses. But if you get the blue ribbon above the 200 on the hourly, well, you're about to make a move, okay? It has to be above the 200 with the blue ribbon on the hourly, and boom, look at these candles. Momentum, 8.69%, okay? Look, all the fun ones, guys. DraftKings, Palantir, Tesla, Pubmatic, SoFi, ARK, ChargePoint, CleanSpark, NVIDIA. It was cracking. I mean, it was cracking, guys. Look at this. DraftKings off the hook. Dude, still, same thing. Under the 200. I told you the other day on this candle, what did I say? I go boom, boom, boom. First candle, what is that? That's the halfway mark. Go back to the video. I said, this is the first candle. This is where you buy. And now it's going to go, this is half of it. Okay, so this from here to here is half. And from here to here is the other half, and then it's going to break because this is going to make it soft landing down and flatten, and this is going to have its slight curl. And okay, so the way that it works with volume and bases coming out of phase 4 into phase 1 is there's a shift. There's a shift from left to right on the way the volume contracts, the way the sentiment, the way the ribbons tighten, the way the EMA flattens, and the way that it works out of the base. Coming out of phase 4 into phase 1, the way that it works is it starts high on the left, and then it shifts to flat, and then it pushes out on the right. And then when you see that, you know you need to get your money in because it's green lights to the beach, okay? So then you get that big body base breakout, and that's the one we want that goes deep psycho reverberation through your soul type of bass. You know what I mean? That kind of bass. Palantir, back on the hunt. Look at it. So that's what I'm talking about. There's your base. Here's your phase 4. Okay, notice how it's coming in deep on the left. The volume's contracting up. It's tightening. This is flattening, coming down, and it's shifting to the right. That's how I know. And guess what? I called it over here, and there's your breakout. Boom. Is it going to stop? No, it's about to run, baby. Let's go. Tesla. I mean, it's on, dude. Another breakout. Well, let's check that out. Hold on. 1117. Yeah, breakout. I mean, this is looking good. This is looking real good. Tesla, got to be in it. Pubmatic. I mean, don't sleep on Pubmatic. It's ready to go. This is the breakout's coming tomorrow, I think. SoFi. Look, SoFi is doing the same thing that I've been trying to tell you, okay? Look, it's making higher lows. It's going through its process. The process does this. When you see the ribbon coming down at a certain angle, okay, it's not done coming down, okay? It's still going through its process. When this is still coming down at an angle, it's not doing its process. When it starts to flatten like it's beginning to now, and see this curve, how it's starting to flatten, and this is starting to make higher lows, that's how I know the process. Look, volume contraction, volume contraction, volume. This is how it shifts from left to right and gets ready for a big base breakout, which probably will not be coming for a little while, but it's going to build steam, and it's not going to get lower than it is now, okay? It's only going to go up, whether it's 30 cents a day, 40 cents a day. Maybe it'll have some of those 9, 10, 11% days. They will come, but once it gets moving, boom, the money's going to come in, and it's going to be off the chain, and you're going to want to be in there. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. They won't talk about it on TV, and I don't even know that Kathy Woods even realized what she did until like recently, but years ago, she got on Bloomberg and she had said, you know, these big institutions, these big funds, they didn't know what they were doing. They're in an old world of thought, looking through an old lens, and you know, I knew as the words were coming out of her mouth that I was clicking sell all my ARKs. I had all the ARKs. I was up over 100% on everything. It was in 2020. I knew as she was on Bloomberg saying that, she was going to piss everybody off. Immediately, they started like selling off all the stuff in her funds and destroyed her. Lower highs, okay? I saw it coming. Well, it started to come back in 2021. They put her on Bloomberg, and she did it again. Within 24 hours, all the stuff started selling off. Well, now, innovation, like I mentioned a few days ago in a video, innovation in tech's coming back, and there's a breakout coming. Here's the base, boom. There's the flattening and the turning of the ribbons. Here's the base breakout, volume contraction, volume, moving from left to right. From left to right, it's important, okay? The base breakout is about to take place. She got on Bloomberg today, and she didn't do what she did in the past. So now, I think it's the era of Kathy Wood coming back, okay? And she's speaking at the Bitcoin conference later this week. So even let's look at ARKF. Oh, same thing, okay? ChargePoint. I'm telling you guys, I've been in this ChargePoint, and let me just look at this real quick. I'm just going to tell you. All right, so charge point, 31.23%. I'm up on this thing. What did I say in the video the other day? The only thing that's making me nervous is that it made a blue ribbon here and a lower high. It made a blue ribbon here and a lower high. And I said, I'm in it and it's a blue ribbon and it's right at the 200, but I would feel better if it broke the pattern. Boom, who loves you? We broke the pattern. Then I said, if we get past this yellow line, we have an official trend reversal. We are now on our way. We broke the pattern. This is a long pattern, guys. This pattern is very, very long. For us to break out of it like that, okay, this is called what's called a descending triangle, if you're not familiar. A descending triangle with that type of length and a breakout is powerful, okay? So we need to be in charge point right now. What did I say the other day about Facebook and the resistance? I was like, guys, like there is literally no resistance. I said it on this candle over here. I said, where's the resistance? We already broke this little breakout, this little swing high minor, okay? Where's the resistance? Show it to me. And I'll show you why there's not one. And we have $100 to go before we hit resistance. Gotta be in Facebook. The price is so low. The money's so easy. Come on, man. Get it, baby. You know what to do. Get paid. CleanSpark, one of the best performing miner type stocks out of all the crypto miner type stocks. It's beating HUD. So CleanSpark is actually really, really holding up as one of the leaders within those crypto stocks, you know. I know you can get like your Mara, which is also really good, probably better than Riot, but CleanSpark wasn't always leading with Riot and Mara. Now it is. It's holding its own. So I'm in CleanSpark, and I'm up 39.24% currently on it. Okay? Very good. NVIDIA, you know, on the daily blue ribbon, these pullbacks are okay, guys. Don't trip. As long as it doesn't go past right here at 256.38, green lights to the beach. And honestly, NVIDIA is a badass stock, and you just got to have it. Look at Luna. I called Luna. I told you guys about Luna. I said it's an emerging leader. What is an emerging leader? It's first out the gate. It led Zcash, and Luna led the crypto market out of phase 4. And not only did it, so Bitcoin has about this much to the right of blue ribbon. Look at Luna. Look at Luna. Above the 200, this thing is a leader. What is a leader? First one out, it leads the pack, and it usually will make you the most money and go the longest. Luna and Zcash, I've mentioned in multiple videos, there's a reason. I told you get Cardano at 88 cents. I just bought more and averaged up. You know I love that Antero Resources. Let's just go look at Bitcoin. I already went through the ones I wanted to talk about, which was all the fun ones. Look, we got Twitter, Unity, AMTX, Neo, Roblox, DraftKings, Palantir, Tesla, Pubmatic, SoFi, ARX, ChargePoint, Facebook, CleanSpark, NVIDIA, Luna. And let's just look at a little bit of crypto. Now, here's the deal. Okay, so I got in here at 37,800. Okay, I got in a little early. This is the way I roll. All right. Now, it is going to be bumpy. It is going to be bumpy all the way to victory. Let me show you where victory is. Okay, I've been doing a little work here. I don't have it on the screen. I did it in the Wheelhouse Wednesday. I figured some stuff out, and this is what I see without going and doing all my crazy fibs and all this stuff. Okay, you have a measured move, which basically, I'll just skip through it. You're basically going to go back to all-time high, okay? And that looks like it is going to happen. When did I say that was? Did I mark it with this white? September, right? September 17th. September 17th, 2022, we should be back at all-time high. Now, I don't know if we're going to catch resistance there, but if we do end up breaking through that, we're going to hit the 72. We're going to hit the 80. We're going to hit 72,300 or 72,256 or something like that. Then we're going to hit like 82, 86, 89, 92, 99, 108. Okay? You got to be patient, okay? I know everybody's going to get on and be like, oh, I got to sell. You know, like, I get it. You know, I don't like when a stochastic breaks and comes down. It's like always doom. I totally get that. And I understand trading, so, like, I'm not saying anything bad. to each his own. Trust me, I trade on the minutes sometimes. I trade on the hours sometimes. But with Bitcoin, I just have this like affinity. I have this love for it, right? So I just know that if you just kind of hold up in this blue ribbon and you just buy those pullbacks and just add to strength, like you're gonna you're gonna cash out like fat, you know. You're gonna clean up, and that's where I'm at. Remember, this was like 22 racks right here from blue to blue. Okay, this was 550% right here from when it went purple to blue above that 200. Okay, from here all the way to here. All right, that was 550%. Okay, this is how it works. I have it set up a certain way. Everything I do is momentum based. I'm a momentum based pivot to pivot swing trader. Okay, so and I'm very big into volume and technicals, and you know, I know the way that this thing works, and I understand it very, very well. So this is all normal, that it comes up, it breaks out, it retests, it flirts, it touches, and it's going to go. Now, on my other screen, you can't see as well, but let me see if I can make this bigger to kind of explain this thing to you. Okay, see this candle right here? That's a hammer candle, okay? You got doji, okay, soldiers, okay, not good normally. You got a big wick down, but a big push up on the body, hammer. It's a hammer. We call that Thor's hammer. When you see the hammer, it usually means you're gonna move up. I already know you're gonna move up because a retest is natural. The cloud hasn't broken. You didn't hold the 9. You're above the 200. The ribbons are spreading out. This thing is about to freaking run. And the way that it works with catalyst and news and volume and bases and all this stuff, the way that it works is it's all a big setup to the convention that's about to go down, the Bitcoin conference. It's all the way it works. A little bit of sentiment slows down, a little bit of hesitation. Hey, you go first, I'll put my toe in. You go, I'll go. Like this kind of stuff. That comes out, people get excited, they got their money on the side, everything is ready to execute, and boom, we get another push. Boom, what happens? The cloud turns, we come up to the next one. We're gonna ladder step up. That's why months ago, I was like, I'm not removing any of these. All of these are ladder steps. You get up, if you reject, you come here, retest, and go. If you break out, you come here, you know what I mean? Everyone is a ladder step, and there's more above that you can't see that I've taken off, but I'll put them back on here once we get a little higher. Look, if you don't know, like, you know, intraday trading, and you're not, you know, trying to get super technical, just trend trading in that blue ribbon on Bitcoin is good. So, look, I'm going to leave it there. I'm excited. It was a hot day, good day in the markets. I killed it in the stocks. Right when the stocks were finishing and the market was closing, crypto started to run. So I hit a double dabble Dooyah, baby. And you know I like those double dabble Dooyahs. So I'm going to leave it there. My name is Chris. Thanks for watching to the end, and welcome to the wheelhouse.